Welcome back to day 6 of 75 Bride, and today was actually a really gorgeous day. Now, I am lucky enough to have 3 gorgeous nephews who I adore, but this year I am welcoming 2 nieces either side of the wedding. My first niece is due in just a couple of weeks, so today we celebrated Mum with a gorgeous baby shower at Ode Street in Kent. Not only am I doing that, but after the baby shower, I am heading down to Canterbury to go and pick up my wedding dress and see it for the first time since I spent over £200 on Cot Beauty, and this is everything that I got. I'm sure you're probably thinking, Vic, you get married in less than 3 months. How are you affording to be able to spend over £200 on Cot Beauty? I can't. I'm in the pits. I actually think this was a bit of girl math. I had £140 worth of Cot Beauty credit from when I did their recycling scheme last year. I think I also got...